Start. This writ appeal has been filed against the impugned judgment of the learned single judge dated 29th November 2005. This case is a typical instance of a widespread malady which has infected the urban areas of this country and Delhi in particular, namely the belief in a large number of people that they can violate the building rules and bylaws with impunity by using power or pelf and get away with it. The facts, as stated in the writ petition, are that the writ petitioner had purchased the said flat and is in possession of the same. It is alleged that after purchase and possession of the flat, that petitioner has been facing a lot of inconvenience in enjoying the civic amenities and had to compromise with the unhygienic and unhealthy conditions. There is a sewerage blockage of the promises of the petitioner, which is attributed to the fact that the neighboring persons had encroached upon the public land and raised illegal and unauthorized construction over the sewer line. The writ petitioner approached the Municipal Corporation of Delhi. The MCD informed the petitioner that the building activities were with the Delhi Development Authority. Thus, the MCD tried to pass on the buck. The petitioner then approached the DDA, on which the DDA issued show cause notice to those persons. It is alleged that thereafter the DDA slept over and did not take any action. However, after a lot of persuasion, the DDA issued demolition order. Despite the demolition order, nothing happened in concrete to remove the encroachments. Being harassed due to the inaction of the DDA, the petitioner approached the limited governor, who has administrative control over the DDA, for a direction for execution of the demolition order. In the meanwhile, the DDA informed the petitioner that since the area was handed over and transferred to the MCD, action for removing the encroachments had to be taken by the MCD. Thereafter, the petitioner had to start the whole process afresh by approaching the MCD, but of no avail. In the writ petition, the MCD filed a counter affidavit stating that the impugned site had been inspected, and during inspection it was noticed that encroachment exists, whereas adjoining residents have encroached the municipal land by way of constructing shops over it. During inspection, unauthorized constructions were booked as per the provisions contained under section 343 and 344 of MCD Act. Consequently, demolition notices in respect of the properties booked have been issued and served upon the respective occupiers. We see no reason to disbelieve the allegations made in the counter affidavit of the MCD. It is evident that the appellant has made illegal and unauthorized construction of shops. However, learned counsel for the appellant submitted that he should be permitted to move an application for regularization in Friends Colony Development Committee versus State of Orissa. The Supreme Court observed that though the municipal laws permit deviations from sanctioned constructions being regularized by compounding, but that was by way of exception. Unfortunately, the exception With the lapse of time and frequent exercise of the discretionary power has become the rule, deliberate deviations do not deserve to be condoned, and compounding ought to be kept at a bare minimum. Thus, the Supreme Court held that even though there is a provision for regularization, no regularization should be ordinarily permitted unless there was a bona fide deviation. In the present case, it cannot be said that there was only a bona fide deviation from the building plan. The time has come when a very short, strict view has to be taken by the court regarding illegal construction and illegal encroachments. If there are rules, they have to be followed, otherwise there is no use having rules at all, and the rules of law will be thrown to the winds if the building rules and regulations are not strictly followed. A wrong message will be sent that they are not to be taken seriously and can be got over by fixing the municipal authorities by some extraneous matter. The time has come in our country for very strict observance and enforcement of the building rules and regulations. Otherwise, the urban areas will become like jungles where people will not be able to live peacefully. Often, such violations are done in collusion with the authorities, and hence we also give a stern warning to the authorities that they will be taken to task if they permit, condone, or tolerate violations of the building rules. The price of urbanization is habited discipline, failing which the result will be chaotic urban jungles. All these will no longer be tolerated by this court. With these observations, the appeal is dismissed. The appellant is granted 1 week time to remove the illegal construction, otherwise they will be removed with the help of a bulldozer. During this period of 1 week, the MCD will not demolish the illegal construction, office encroachments, so as to enable the appellant to do it himself.